Hey folks, James from Bommer here, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to download and set up Bommer for SOLIDWORKS. So let's begin, shall we? So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the link that we sent you, press this download the installer button, and download the zip file containing Bommer for SOLIDWORKS. Once you have this file onto your computer, go ahead and right-click the file, extract all, choose a location on your computer, and extract the folder. Once you're in the folder, go to setup.exe and launch it. Now, this is a fairly standard installation. Make sure to read the terms and conditions, agree, hit next, pick a folder, hit next, and just watch as Bommer installs. This will take a little bit of time, but once it's done, just press the close button and Bommer is set up. Then you launch SOLIDWORKS. Now, this will look like your fairly standard boot up, except with one little new step added in, only for the first time, we promise. This is the registration process for Bommer. Once you get this screen, you press next, you input your email, your first name, and your last name. Once you press next, Bommer will finish downloading the necessary files required to install Bommer. Now, this will only take a moment, we promise, but as soon as it's done downloading, the screen will change, and then you press close. And now, you're good to go. Now, a little bit more patience as SOLIDWORKS finishes booting up. And now, once we have this screen, we don't need a particular model open, so we just X out, and we can see that we have a new Bommer button. So let's navigate over here. Now, this next step is very important, folks. If you see the software update available button, please press this and run through the update process. It's quick and simple, and it makes sure that you're always running the latest version of Bommer with all the new goodies and latest bug fixes. But once that process is done, you are good to go with Bommer. So as you can see, once you have Bommer downloaded, it takes less than 2 minutes to get up and running with Bommer for SOLIDWORKS. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please email us at support@bommer.io. Whether it be questions, feedback, or just because you want to chat, we welcome your conversations. But for now, have an awesome day.